You guys have 3 hours ish before things start to matter, okay? Okay. Hang at the office, stick with the girls, right? Olivia, Linda, you know everybody? Right? And you'll be able to see and hear everything on the way.
Jackpot, 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 little bird 6 and 7. Jackpot, jackpot, little bird 08.
Did it feel almost like an impossible task to be able to take these kids home with you?
We know with God all things are possible. We were waiting for his perfect timing, and Grayble's been his perfect timing. We're very thankful for Grable because they really truly don't know what we'd be doing right now if we didn't have them.